Okay, we got a roll-in saw. It's wired 110 single phase. Plug into any outlet, common outlet. It's a model EF1459, is it? Yeah, EF1459. So, I don't know if you're familiar with the roll-in saw. It's back all the way. You would clamp your material in the vise here, and then you just lift up on this lever here, and it's got a weighted pressure that you can adjust, and it just sits against your material, and it rolls in, feeds in by weight by itself. Of course, if that were resting against material, now it's up against the vise. We don't want to do too much of that, but anyways, it's a nice little saw. It's a 98. And there's a stop here you can adjust back and forth if you only want to come back so far. You can put that on the rails there. It's 4-speed, 4 positions on the pulley. Roll-in saw, made in the US.